Welcome dear students, hope you are fine. I am Mohammed Aftab Alam Hashmi. From Pakistan International School, Doha, Qatar. Welcome to Civics Classroom. Students, today we are going to discuss an important topic. Relationship of civics with other social sciences. From Civics, chapter number 1. At page 1415. Today's topic revolves around the theme that what is the relationship of civics with history and ethics? It's an important topic. So, be attentive throughout the lecture. So, let's discuss it in detail. Dear students, before starting, we will recap the previous topic. Do you remember the previous topic? Yes, that was also the relationship of civics with other social sciences. So, let's recall and discuss briefly and proceed to our today's topic. Dear students, we learned that. What is social science? Just recall. We discussed that social science is the branch of science devoted to the study of human societies and the relationships among individuals within those societies. Social science, any discipline or branch of science that deals with human behavior in its social and cultural aspects. The social sciences include cultural, or social, anthropology, sociology, social psychology, political science, and economics. Here in this table some main subjects or disciplines are shown. In our syllabus, we will discuss the relationship of civics with political science, economics, sociology, history, and ethics. Then we learned their relation of civics with other social sciences. That civics is a branch of social sciences. Men is the subject of study of civics. It studies different political and social activities which a man performs in a state. Therefore, civics is closely related to other social sciences. Civics derives a lot from all other subjects. Some important points to remember are following. Be attentive to revise. That 1. In all social sciences, civics is very closely related to political science because both deal with the affairs of a state and citizens. 2. Civics deals with every aspect of social life, whereas political science basically deals with state and its administrative affairs. We can say that political science starts the studies of common subjects from that place where civics ends up. 3. The aim of both is the welfare of citizens. The object of civics is to make good citizens. Good citizens make a good state. The trained citizens of civics run the administration of city, state and government in excellent manner. 4. Civics and political science can also be differentiated with regard to rights and duties. Political science emphasizes on the acquisition and safeguard of rights, but civics stresses more on the fulfillment of obligations because its primary object is to build the character of a person. Civics emphasizes on practical aspect whereas political science is mostly a theoretical subject. 5. Civics is concerned with every aspect of social life. But economics studies production, distribution and consumption of wealth. 6. It is remarkable that relationship between civics and economics is different as compared to other subjects. 7. It is a fact that nothing is common between civics and economics. However, both deal with the common problems. In modern times, civics and economics has developed a strong relationship. Human welfare is the common objective of both the sciences. 8. Economics teaches a person to earn wealth while civics creates consciousness of its proper utilization. We can say that the study of economics helps in solving the social problems. 9. Sociology is the mother of all sciences. Both sociology and civics deal with human life and its related social institutions. Sociology studies all aspects of social life and civics examines matter of only civic life. In this way sociology is superior to civics. 10. Social welfare is the common object of both of them. Sociology is very useful and necessary because it builds up the structure for the present and future in the light of the events and results of the past, and sociology helps in it. 11. Dear students, now we are leading to discuss today's topic, and that is understanding relationship of civics with history and ethics. Let's discuss in detail. The comparison and relationship are of civics and history. Students. History is the collection of tales and events of the past which are based on facts and figures. It studies all aspects of human life in different periods. It is through history that we get knowledge about human life and his social, economic, civilization, cultural trends and ideologies. Since civics includes almost all aspects of human life, therefore both are closely interrelated. The topic of discussion of both subjects are identical because both deal with the study of a person. Civics studies the evolution of state, formation of government, political institutions and rights and duties. The political study of man is an important topic of history. History is a record of past events, which help civics to make rules and regulations for human life. The object of both is that, how can the welfare of an individual be made possible? Both the subjects are useful and helpful to each other. Low-fact history is like a laboratory from which civics derives information and results to plan for the future. It is evident that civics depends mostly upon the information furnished by history. The continuity of events has assumed utmost importance in history. The chronological study of events is very essential, but it is not the case in civics. The student of civics can frame laws for social life by comparing a specific incident of history with another historical event, whether they relate to different periods of history or not. The student of history cannot do so. He has to take care of the continuity of events. Dear students, the next comparison of relations is civics and ethics. The study of good and bad aspects of a person's moral character is the topic of discussion in ethics. Ethical ideologies and thoughts have greatly affected the development and progress of a society. Ethics organizes our lives. Its subject is the systematized presentation of moral rules and regulations imposed on the character and conduct of human life. The study of ethics can be helpful in creating the qualities of good citizenship. Therefore, both civics and ethics are related to each other. The objectives of both the sciences are identical. Civics makes such rules and regulations which form the basis of individuals and collective progress. The aim of ethics is also the same, that moral values should not be overlooked when rules and regulations are framed. Both are normative sciences. Both keep this fact in view: what should be done, that is, good and bad aspects of every matter should be considered. Both the sciences are interdependent. The citizens of good moral character are required for a good state. In this regard, ethics provides a guideline to them. When rules are framed in a state, then moral values cannot be overlooked. In ancient Greek history, ethics was considered an important part of politics. Plato had laid the foundation of his ideal state on ethics, and gave moral values importance equal to the state laws. Dear students, if you have any question, write it down and ask from your subject teacher via WhatsApp or follow the given instructions. Dear students, thank you for being attentive. Stay blessed. Take care. See you all in our next session. Allah Hafiz.